Yeah. You sure?
Yeah, see? Yeah.
Are you sure? Yeah. All right. Okay, next.
Next. Is this green?
No, you find you yeah, green.
Yeah, I told you didn't hear. I just said you find green.
Okay, sorry. Kasi shortcut ka eh. I-check mo muna dyan bago mo tingnan yung picture. Okay, the next.
Okay.
Next page.
Let me see what Daddy doing. Let me see
Okay.
what Daddy doing. Oh,
Okay.
then this. Put this here. This is white. Okay, next page. Open this.
Yeah.
Put it here. See, the hand is sewing it.
Yeah. Dito nga naman.
Next page. This.
Galing mo na dyan ah. Sisiw na lang sa'yo yan ah. Ba, ang galing mo ah. Ang galing mo ko siya may lalagay ah. Good job.
Next page. Because I want to flip the page.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
You don't need mommy's help anymore, right? You don't need my help anymore?
Put it
Sorry.
here.
Ba, galing. Galing ah.
Okay, and then
Next page. Hindi na ako nakakain sa'yo ah.
here.
Okay.
Next page. Oh, here. Where is that? Here.
Galing ah. Do you wanna be an engineer?
What?
What do you wanna be when you grow up?
What?
What do you wanna be when you grow up?
I want to be a policeman.
Policeman?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next
I thought you wanna be an engineer. Tama ba? Okay, tama.
So next one. And next.
Oh, it has green already.
Okay. Then put it here. There. No. Next page. Oh, this and this. Next page. Oh, yeah.
You need this. Kunin mo muna yung mga kailangan mo. Para di ka malito. Tsaka ito pa, isa pa. Oh, I think you got it wrong, anak. I think the other way. This one. Oh, yeah, yun. Tama ka pala. Tama pala.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
And that one is here.
Sisiw yan sa'yo, ah. Dapat pala binibili mo yung mas mahayas pa ng konti. Yung next level. Is that easy for you?
Yeah.
Is that easy?
Yeah, see, I'm building it. 'Cause
I know.
It's full.
I told you you
page.
can only buy 4 or 6 because you're only 5 years old. If you buy more than if you buy 7 years old or higher,
Can you put this here?
okay.
And
And the other
the
one.
next page,
Same thing.
same. This is and this is
The next one.
next one. Okay.
No, push a little more. Oh, diba? Yeah, you're right.
But you're always not saying something.
Huh?
Next page. And this is put the pumpkin. Put the pumpkin now.
There.
Then put it
Tama ba dyan ba talaga? O ano, galing mo ah.
in next page. And put this.
Oh, it should be facing this way. See that?
Okay. Ooh. And next page.
And
And this.
there.
Maybe put this. He's supposed to be standing. No. He's supposed to be
Okay, show it to the camera. Smile.